Hi foodies, welcome to Aisha's Kitchen. Today I'm back with one more quick and easy recipe, that is the egg keema. Looks yummalicious, isn't it? For many exciting recipes like this, stay tuned to Aisha's Kitchen. Now let's get started. Let me tell you the ingredients that I'll be using for making the egg keema. I have taken 2 boiled egg, 1 onion. I have finely chopped the onion, half tomato, grated tomato. You can even finely chop this tomato if you wish. Butter. And here I have taken dry masalas, coriander powder, garam masala, jeera, turmeric powder and pav bhaji masala. I have taken half teaspoon here. I have taken freshly chopped coriander and chili paste. Salt as per taste and oil for preparation. Now let's get started with the dish. First, let's heat our pan with oil. I'll be adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I've added the onions and frying it. Now we'll be adding our grated tomato. Now to this, I'll be adding the chili paste. As I'll not be using the chili powder, so I'll be using 1 tablespoon of chili paste here. Fry it well. Once they are fried, mash these onions well. Once these are fried, let us add our dry masalas, dhania powder, garam masala powder, pav bhaji masala, jeera powder and the turmeric powder. Mix it. Once adding our dry masala, we don't want them to burn, so let us add water to it. 2 tablespoons of water, not much, so that the masalas get cooked well. Here I have added pav bhaji masala. If you want, you can skip pav bhaji masala also. You can even use chaat masala powder to it. Once all the masala is cooked well and simmering, we'll add our boiled egg. I'm gonna grate the egg. I've grated both the eggs that I have taken. We'll mix this grated egg with the masala. Once this is fried, I'll be adding salt to it as per taste. Here butter, if you're using salted butter, then add less of salt, and if the butter is unsalted, then use salt as per the taste. At this stage, we'll be adding the butter to it. Even cheese can be added to it, grated cheese. So it's now ready. I'll be adding fresh coriander. Wow, this is looking sizzling hot. Now our egg keema is all ready. Let me serve this. Our sizzling hot egg keema is now ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. For many recipes like this, do subscribe to Aishu's Kitchen and support me. Love you all. Bye. Take care.